Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix a side volume buttons not working on your Android, especially if you have Samsung Galaxy A55. A so if you have a broken volume buttons or your volume buttons is disabled, not function, you can try to fix it into your software or service center. Bring your phone into the service center to fix it. But before you can try to visit a service center. Bring your phone there. You can try to up and down the volume manually on settings. Now you can jump into the settings. Here you can try to find sound and vibration. You can tap it. Now you can try to adjust the volume here, such as you can turn on and turn off vibrate on ring, vibrate on silent, even you can turn on silent mode. Here we go, this is the volume button. So you can try to increase and decrease from here, from the settings. There's a ringtone volume, notification volume, and alarm volume that you can adjust. And also you can turn on do not disturb and set the ringtone, message tone, notification sound. And here on my phone there is a more sounds and haptics option. You can tap it. Here you can try to turn on dial pad, lock screen sound, screenshot sounds, deletion sound, touch sounds, and so on. And there is a new feature, real sound technology here on my phone. There's a smart movie game music. But the point is, before you can try to bring your phone to service center, you can try to adjust volume from your apps or from the settings on your phone. So feel free to try to fix side volume buttons not working on your Android. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And also click thanks button below. See you in the next video.